In the week that ended on 17th of January, the US market is extremely bullish. Did you watch the video that we have uploaded during this week where we discussed about the secular trends of top 5 major economies, that is US, Germany, Japan, China and India? You must watch that video. I'll be providing the link of that video in the description box of this video. So in this video, we'll undertake the comprehensive analysis of S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 to determine the support and resistance level that market might respect in the upcoming week, and we will also arrive at the potential price targets of S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. Let us first find out the prevailing market sentiments. When the week ended, fear and greed index against S&P 500 is reading 38. What does it mean? It is in the fear zone. 1 week ago, it was in a fear zone, but the reading was 26. So the market sentiments over the past 1 week has certainly improved. At the same time, if you check the volatility of the market with respect to S&P 500, there has been a reduction in the volatility of S&P 500 and it is almost kissing SMA 50, and in fact it is slightly lower than that. So the current volatility is favorable for the market. I am D K Sinha. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. Let's straight away move to the price chart to undertake technical analysis to understand the price action in the market. This is S&P 500 index in weekly time frame. The index in the last week finally closed at 5,996.66 and hence it was in a bullish run and ended 2.91% higher. Now in an earlier video we discussed about this correction and we talked about it. EMA 21 is acting as a dynamic support. Price has taken support here at EMA 21. Once again, it has taken support here. Once again, so multiple support can be seen where the price is respecting EMA 21 when mean reversion takes place. Now, in the last week, there is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern quite in proximity of EMA 21. So it seems that the correction is over and you can draw here a bullish flag kind of pattern also, which indicates that the trend in upside may continue. Now I am putting up some of the technical studies on the chart. We had earlier discussed about this rising price channel where price has been trading in a channel like structure. Price has taken resistance here, taken resistance here, and here once the price has given a breakout of the median of this rising price channel, this median became the support. This median became the support and the price currently is bouncing from the median of the rising price channel. So in a cyclic phenomenon, the next potential target could be price may move like this to reach to the upper fiber of the rising price channel. Now if you see the overall structure, here earlier there was a resistance which became the support over here. There was a confluence of EMA 21 from where there is a significant bounce back with the formation of a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And also, if you see in the momentum indicator, RSI or William percentage R, the price is bouncing from an important area, and here we can see this level versus this level is clearly we can see the momentum discrepancy in the price action or momentum action. Now let us move to the daily price chart. This is the daily price structure. Earlier we discussed about this important gap. The price gap down over here on, to be very precise, on 13th of January and this gap is now filled, which is very significant. So this is very important demand area. If you can see the price structure, price has taken multiple support here. So 5783 to 5838 is a very, very important demand area, and there is an intermittent support at 5871, because there is yet another gap which has been created on the price chart by formation of a bullish kicker candlestick pattern on 15th of January. So there are multiple support. Where is the immediate resistance? Can we see the consolidation band? This entire consolidation will act as a resistance area. So 6050 to 6093 is an important supply area. However, once this supply area is taken out, so we can draw a counter trend line, and I'm drawing this counter trend line. Here, this is the immediate resistance. Once this gives a breakout, then there'll be significant upside move. And if you calculate the target on the basis of prior impulsive wave, and let us project it the target, what it has done, it has achieved the target of 127.2% expansion level, and then this correction started. So on trend resumption, after it takes out the supply area of 6093, then next potential target could be to 6225 or 26 level. So overall trend in S&P 500 is bullish, which is not only indicated by the price action, but also momentum indicator has gone into the territory from the oversold territory to now it is a little bit overextended, but not very overextended. It is the matter of the time where the price takes out this supply area. So price may consolidate here and then give a breakout. Then it will be a formation of a continuation chart pattern, what we call it as a cup and handle kind of chart pattern. Now let us move to the price chart of Nasdaq 100. This is the price chart of Nasdaq 100. Here too what we can see, the last week's candlestick pattern is a bullish piercing candle. It's a piercing line candlestick pattern. Where it has formed at a very important resistance area. This was the cup and handle pattern. So this horizontal line is nothing but the neckline, which happens to be at the confluence of EMA 21 and volume weighted moving average on the price chart in the weekly time frame. The index closed at 21,441.15, and hence it was bullish by 2.85% on week basis. Here too what we can see, the price is whenever correcting comes to the zone of EMA 21 and EMA 55 and then bounces back. So I am putting forth some of the technical studies. We earlier discussed about this rising price channel where the price is trading in a price channel. So this kind of price action is very good for the range trading. So ultimately it is now on trend resumption will move to the upper fiber, which comes at around 23,400 level, which could be the potentially next target. Where is the support? There is an existence of a gap at around 20,249, which can be seen on the daily price chart, and this is the important resistance area at 20,400. So 20,249 to 20,400 is a very significant demand area, but there is an intermittent support also at 20,600 level. See the price rejection, and price has now formed the piercing line kind of candlestick pattern. Let us go to the daily price chart. What we can see here, there is a important demand area. There is an existence of a gap which is still not filled. So this becomes a very important demand area. And there is an immediate gap over here. And this gap was created on 15th of January 2025 when there was a formation of a bullish kicker kind of candlestick pattern, and this happens quite in proximity of EMA 55. So 20,969 becomes the immediate or intermittent support. Where is the resistance? Here you can see there is a formation of an inside bar, a doji kind of candlestick, which is the inside bar, where low of that candle is 21,923 and 22,000 happens to be the psychological resistance. So this area is the immediate resistance area. But what happens when the price gives a breakout? Here too we can draw one counter trend line. We can see the price got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. Once it gives a breakout, then it will probably face some kind of resistance in the supply area. And once this supply area is taken out, then probably there will be breakout of a continuation chart pattern, cup and handle kind of chart pattern, which will push the price to the higher level, 23,375 to 23,400 level. So overall trend in S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 is extremely bullish. So considering the price action, the market is trading in the markup phase. What does it mean? In future also, market is likely to make higher highs and higher lows kind of structure. There will be formation of an impulsive wave and corrective wave. So there is no sign of distribution as if now in S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. So friends, don't forget to offer your comments, give up feedbacks, which is very, very important to us to make a consistent improvement in the quality of the video, in quality of analysis. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.